Hi. Many people has inquired about water which has been drilled as per Vastu. Okay. Why it has been done at that place and all it has been asked. I'll just give an explanation. Okay. South, east and west. Okay. We are having north east position for water. Okay. When you build a house, most probably north will be the entrance. Okay. And we will be having underground water storage or underground anything, water or any storage or things, whatever you have, you will be keeping at this point. Okay. And at that east point you will be having your septic tanks or anything. Okay, we'll forget all these things. The main question in this is why water has to be drilled on this particular view alone. Okay. Not only that, you will be seeing that either best place it is set as north east end. Okay, this place is set as the best place. Okay, for example, let us consider we are building a house. Okay. This is the water place because it will be north, south, east, west. This will be the entrance. Okay, this will be living room or you will be having as a bedroom. Okay, and your kitchen. You are having water at this place. Actually, for drilling you will be having at this place only, northeast position. Okay, or in contrast we'll be saying we'll have a cross mark. So this all places you can have a drill for water. Okay. The main reason behind it is sun rises at this point. You can't say that every time it exactly rises in the east. It changes its position somewhat to northeast to somewhat to southeast. Okay, when different months are going on, it is not exactly east. It will change its direction this way. Okay. So when it is there, we are seeing that when sun rises, it will be having the most ultraviolet rays, UV rays are there. So only we are seeing in kitchen also we will be having here, and here you will be having your living room, and here is the space for water. Okay. When this ray fall on this water, it kills the germ. Okay. It kills most of the germs that is present in this water. Okay. So that is why the basic reason why we are drilling water at north east position. Okay. But in some cases we are seeing that we don't have water at this place. So let us consider a next house. Okay. North, south, east, west. Okay. You don't have any water point. Okay. Let us consider there is no water point at this place. Okay. Or you don't, actually you will be having 3 to 4 cents in a row city or anything, so you don't have any space at this one. What can be the alternate position for drilling water? you can either go south side or you can go either west side. So this is, if this is also not possible, okay, let us consider the case there is no water at this south side also, there is no water at the west side also. Okay, there is water only at this south west side. Okay, this is asked by many people. Okay, we are having water in the southwest only, what can be done? Okay. The main thing that displaces this is, here you will be getting UV rays from sunlight or anything, so it will kill germ and all. Okay, so if there is no possibility of water on the other side, you are going for southwest. Okay, so for example, you are drilling here for 100 feet. Okay, this is an example. Presently there is no where you get at 100 feet other than some places where there is abundant rainfall. If you are drilling at, okay, let us take it 100 feet. If you are drilling 100 feet, here drill at least 150 feet. 1.5% more as per Vastu. Okay, this will neutralizes your position for water in Vastu. This will be actually an empty hole, and this will be a water up to 50 feet. So 1:1.5, sorry, 1:1.5 is the ratio between southwest to northeast. Okay, so be careful while you are drilling. If you don't have water at this points, don't worry, go for southwest, but this is the solution in Vastu. If you have got any doubts, you can call me at 9865 660921. I am a consultant of water, wastewater management, rainwater harvesting, and for livestock, everything I do it. Okay. My name is Almond. Thank you.